Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restart your HP Chromebook 14A. To do it, you can do it in two different methods. Either press on this Control Center button in the bottom right corner and press on this power icon, now click on restart, or if you want to make it quicker, just press and hold on the power button for 2 to 3 seconds until this thing fully shows up, and now you basically can shut it down. You can't restart it from this menu, so I think if you want to restart it, you can simply click on the one from the control center, so you don't need to turn it on manually later. And that's all for this video. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.